Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and good evening to all my dear students. Dear students, now we are going to learn about accountancy standard 11th standard in the question of quarterly examination 2022-23. The question number is 36th question number. Enter the following transactions in a single column cash book of Seshadri for May 2017. Okay, this is a single column cash book. Okay, students. Then there are statements or transactions are given. May 1st, the rupees. May 1st, cash in hand 40,000. May 5, cash received from Swati 4,000. May 7, paid wages in cash 2,000. May 15, sold goods for cash 9,000. May 18, purchased computer 15,000 rupees. May 22, cash paid to Sabapati 5,000. Date 28, May 28, paid salary 2,500. The last transactions of May 30, interest received 500 rupees. Okay, students, they are given transactions. We should follow the solution is single column cash book. Okay, students. So, what is single column cash book? So, single column cash book is nothing but receipt and payment. Only one transaction, either receipt or payment, we should record it. Only receipt and payment also recorded. There are single column cash book or simple column cash book also asking you. So, we are going to the solution. First, in the book of single column cash book, in the book of single column or simple column cash book of Mr. Seshadri. Seshadri for May 2017. Okay, students. First we have to the tables on the solution. All the students, please must usage of scale and pencil, students. So first of all, date column. Then receipt column. This is a RN column. RN column means a receipt number. This is a LF column. This is amount column. This is date column. The last amount column, LF column. This is a VN column. Okay, students. First we have to box tables are given. First date. Okay, students. Date, receipts. Receipts. RN means receipt number. Okay, students. Then LF, ledger folio, then amount or symbol, both are same. This is a debit side, credit side. Okay, students. Then date, payments. Okay, students. Payments. This side is receipt number. This side is we have to payment. So VN, voucher number. Voucher number. This is the LF column, ledger folio, then amount. So we have to open the table column. So then we have to go into the sum. So first of all, receipt and payment. So the transactions are given. So when goods, when cash are, we have to mainly concept for cash. Cash is comes in or cash is goes out. Okay, students. So is that cash is received, we have to post on a receipt side. If either we have to cash is paid or payment, so we have to post on the payment side. Okay, students. Then first of all, May 1st, 2017, May 1st, cash in hand. So the cash is in our hand. So receipt column we have to write down to balance brought down or to balance brought down or cash also. To balance brought down how much? 40,000. Okay, students. So in our hand, so 40,000 will be post on the receipt side, receipt column. Then cash received. Okay, so cash is comes in, which means received. So cash received from Swati. Who is given? Swati is given. So date 5. This is the date first. So this is for date first. Date 5 is to Swati account. To Swati account, we will be received in 4,000 rupees. Okay, so then paid wages in cash. So this transaction is a payment transaction. So date 7. For what purpose? Wages. Okay, so wages account was payment. So how much? 2,000 rupees. Okay, students. The next date 15, sold goods for cash. Okay, so we have to sold the goods for cash. For receive the cash, then we will be sold the goods. So to receive to sales account, because cash is received, then after we have to sell the products, goods, what it may be. Date 15. So how much? 9,000 rupees. The next week, date 18, purchase computer. We have to purchase computer for cash. Okay, is that credit? They will be mentioned. So they will be not mention the credit. So we have to consider the cash transaction. So purchase computer for cash. Is that any credit transaction? They will be mentioned credit. Okay, so purchase computer for cash we have to consider for cash. So cash will be goes out. So we have to automatically write down the payment side by computer. By computer, how much? By computer purchase, how much? For cash, 15,000 rupees. Okay, students. The next, cash paid to Sabhabati. So they will be automatically paid. So payment we have to post it to by Sabhabati account. By Sabhabati account, how much? By Sabhabati account, how much? 5,000 rupees. Okay, students. The next 28, paid salary. So we have to automatically in payment side posted paid salary for purpose. Sorry, first we have to date is mentioned by computer. So computer's date is date 18. Very important, students. Then cash paid to Sabhabati on date 22. Okay. The next 28 paid salary. So there will be payment side we have to post it by salary account. How much, student? Paid salary 2,500. Okay, students. The last transaction 30 interest received. We have to receive, not paid. So we have to receipt side we have to post it on date 30 interest received. So to interest account. To interest account, how much? 500 rupees. So we have to check all the transactions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 transactions are posted on. We have to check even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, students. Then we have to calculation. So first of all, date receipt RN is I'm already asking to you receipt number. Then LF column means ledger folio, amount, date, payment. We have to the cash will be out, goes out. So there will be payment side. VN means voucher number. So we have to pay the cash. They will be given the receipt is we have to record on voucher. Okay, so voucher number. So the amount will be transaction is posted. Okay. Okay, sir. So all the transactions are recorded, are posted him. So we have to close him. Okay, students. The next step. So which side is amount is more than? We have to calculate it. So 40,000. This is the most higher amount. 40,000. 40 plus 4, 44. We have to calculate it under the side. So 40,000, 4,000, then 9,000. Next 500. So how much? 0, 0, 5. 4 plus 9, 13. Money 1, 5. 53,500. Okay. So we have to post on 53,500. The same amount will be posted on the payment side. 53,500. Okay, students. So this side what is the calculation? So 2,000, 15,000, 5,000, then 2,500. Okay, students. Then 0, 0, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, students. 12 plus 2, 14, 4 remaining 1. Okay, so 24,500. Okay. So this side is calculation amount is 24,500. So we have to calculate on the receipt side 53,500. So what is the difference amount? So we have to subtract to the amount 53,500 minus the calculation of amount. Total amount is 24,500. 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. So 3 minus 4, the correct table. So we have to borrow 1, then 4. 13 minus 4, 7. 13 minus 4, 4, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, sorry. So 9. So 2 minus 4 minus 2, 2. 29,000. Okay, students. So 29,000 is a balancing figure. So this side is the differences. So 29,000 rupees is a balancing figure. Okay, students. By balance carried on in the month of May. So we have to calculate 30 or 31. So January, February, March, April, May. Okay. So this one is 31. This one is 30. So up and down. Okay, we have to calculate up and down for easy information. Up on is 31. Down is February. So 28 or 29 either. Then 31, 30. So January, February, March, April, May. So May month is 31. So we have to calculate 31. My salary date is not given. So 28. Sorry, students. So 31st May, the balance carried on is 29,000 rupees. Okay, students, this is very, very important questions and easiest to sum. So what comes in, what goes out, which means cash is comes in or cash goes out. Is that we have to sell, so we have to get the, we have to getting the cash. Okay, so at the time of we have to receive the cash, so we will be recorded on the receipt side. Then after we have to pay either if any wages, computer, any person, so salary, so whatever may be the payment will be posted on payment side. Then is that we have to any commissions or any persons we have to or sales, whatever may be the receipt the cash, you have to record on the receipt side. So this is a very, very simple cash book. This very, very simple questions. We have to. This question is maybe chance 99%. Okay, 99% will be important questions for half yearly exam and even the annual exam also. Okay, students, there will be inshallah 3 marks. This question marks is given for 3 marks. Okay, so I hope all the students very clearly understand inshallah. If any doubt, please comment to me. All the students subscribe my channel. Thanking you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening to all.